Hello to all my friends out there. So here are my zucchini fries and my fish sticks. When my niece went to college, one of the things, and it was several years ago too, one of the things my sister and I wanted to do was create recipes that college students could make. You know, easy recipes. And another goal I had was recipes kids could make before their parents got home. And recipes kids would like, of course. I have veggie dip, but something most people have is ranch dressing. And that is good with fries. Okay, the coating doesn't stick very well. Yummy. But I think if you put the butter and the egg mixture on the zucchinis and then dip the zucchinis in a dry mixture, it's going to work much better. You know, once you make it a couple times, you know, you kind of get the hang of it. This is only the second time I made this. Okay, so I bought this green tea with mint. And one of the good things about these 99-cent stores is they can have really good products that are discounted, like this tea. Okay, and then one of the things I keep is hazelnut coffee creamer, because hazelnut coffee creamer is really tasty in mint tea. Oh, I don't have a spoon. I need to stir my tea. I was busy. You know, today I wasn't planning on working at all until the end of the month, but I ended up, of course, finding a really cute goth shirt. Not my best look. I don't really go for the vampire look at my age. Okay, I bought these cookies. Let me show you. I think these are probably some of the tastiest tea cookies. I bought them for $1. Okay, so I have 2 days left of eating whatever I want, and then, you know, I have to go back to the veggie. The main thing is to find food you like, that's cheap and easy to make, and even easy enough for kids to make. That only takes a few minutes to make, you know, so you're not chewing up your life. You know, you have to eat all the time, and if the preparation takes a long time, it chews your life up. You got to kind of conserve your time. Okay, God bless you all.